This video explains how to use our radiator valve adapters. These are suitable for the Abbey lever, manual and TRV, the Admiral, the Commodore and the Rosa ranges of radiator valves. The standard configuration for the valves as supplied is with a 1/2 inch BSP fitting and a 15mm compression fitting. Optional extras are available to change this configuration. If we remove the 1/2 inch BSP radiator coupler, this can be replaced with the 3/4 inch version. This allows the valve to be screwed into a 3/4 inch bushed radiator. For the inlets, we can remove the 15mm compression fitting and it can be replaced by a 22mm compression fitting, or the 22mm compression fitting can be removed. This leaves a 3/4 inch BSP thread, allowing it to be screwed onto iron pipe of the same size. If it's a 1/2 inch BSP iron pipe that's required, this reducing bush can also be fitted to allow that.